Now, WUSA 9's first alert weather, rated DC's most accurate forecast.
You know, believe it or not, we had highs in the mid-60s today. Then the front came through in the evening, temperatures dropping, and it's going to be colder tomorrow. And then a cold week is coming up, and potentially toward the end of the work week, a short week. A lot of folks are off. We're talking about a snow threat, and I'll get to there in a minute. But for your Sunday, mostly cloudy and colder. There'll be some sun, but there'll be clouds and highs only in the mid-40s, so a good 20 degrees cooler, about give or take, than what we had on Saturday. And the winds there won't be so bad. Northeast to east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now tomorrow, final home game of the season for the Burgundy and Gold. It's been a rough season, but the Broncos are coming to town. Temps in the mid-40s, partly to mostly cloudy, chilly, but dry. It'll be dry for the game. That's always a plus. Big picture, we've got cold air covered a good chunk of the country, the colder stuff in the northern plains, mild in the southeast down into Florida where they're enjoying some 80s, but this is all fuel in the system that came through us today with the rain. Snows up well to our north of New York State, parts of Pennsylvania and New England. They had a lot of ice too. It's a real messy day across parts of New England. Well, we're going to watch all of this sort of quickly move off toward the east. Tomorrow morning, colder air's in. Again, not too much of a breeze. Clouds start to increase in the afternoon. And then you'll notice out to Ohio, we've got some snow starting to develop. There's a clipper coming across, but if you will, the area of low pressure with the clipper is going to be passing well to our north. For us in Washington to get a lot of snow from a clipper, it's really got to pass just to our south. Now, that doesn't mean we can't get a little snow, so late tomorrow night into early Christmas morning, yes, the mountains will get pasted, but you get east of that eastern continental divide, other than maybe a few flurries of snow showers well north and northwest, we will not have a white Christmas, but we will be blustery and colder. Winds on Monday are going to gust, I think, to 30 miles an hour, and with highs in the 30s, that means we'll have wind chills in the 20s. As far as the snow potential, this is the aggressive model. This is the NAM and this would fall, let's say, overnight into early Monday morning, 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/2 an inch, right? Not a lot, but a little coating, if you will, a dusting with mountain snows. And then the GFS, another model I like to look at, well, it's far less aggressive, much stingier with the snow. Just a little coating, maybe parts of the Shenandoah Valley to Frederick, but again, the mountains are going to get pasted. And then we're talking about a potential storm late in the week, with the storm track being off to the south Friday into Saturday. This area of snow is going to be moving off toward the northeast, which could linger into Saturday morning. So this has the potential to be significant. Cold air is going to be in place. Closing and travel disruptions, if this develops, are likely, but on the plus side, schools are already out. They're on their holiday break, so it won't be as disruptive as, let's say, was going to happen during the non-holiday week. All right, let's get you the forecast here for this Saturday night. 30s to about 40. Showers taper off, some clearing and colder. Northwest winds 10 to 15. Sunday morning, 30s and 40s. Northeast winds 5 to 10. Turn to the east in the afternoon with highs staying in the 40s. So about 20 degrees, 15 to 20 colder than today. Blustery on Christmas morning and Christmas Day, that is, 39. Cold on Tuesday, 39, just less windy. By midweek, the cold starts to get a little stronger, and toward the end of the week, Friday into Saturday, watch out. That could be messy.